Narrator says, it was a beautiful day at HQ, and the PJ Masks were having a super fun game of tag. Image 1 says,
Wait! Look down there!
Whoa! A tiny glowing footprint!
It's so small. We need a better look.
Super Cat Speed to the rescue! I found the Mega Magnifying Glass!
Time to investigate. What do you see, Gekko? Oh, wow! It looks like shiny green dust!
I like it, Kaji.
Follow the footprints! We have to work together to solve this mystery!
Look! A tiny dance party! Can I join?
Focus, Gekko. We have to follow the clues. Teamwork means staying on track. Right. Super Lizard focus.
Super Gekko muscles and friends.
See? Teamwork makes heavy things light. Whoops. Now, where did those footprints go?
This is fine.
Ah! A giant red meteor is coming right at us.
Catboy, it's just a tiny bouncy ball. The glass makes it look big.
Oh,
Right!
the footprints stopped. The mystery is broken.
Super owl eyes. Let me see if I can spot where they went. Uh-oh. It's too sunny for owl eyes to see the faint glow. Will they lose the trail forever? I can't see it. Don't give up, Owlette. Try combining your owl eyes with the magnifying glass. Teamwork! It worked. They go up the tree.
Leave the climbing to me. Super Gekko grip.
I know of a place.
Guys! You have to come see this. I found it.
No! God, please, no!
A glowing wind-up toy?
Romeo must have dropped it.
It's so cute. Mystery solved.
We
No,
did it.
God,
we
please,
found the
no.
clues because we looked closely. And because we worked together as a team.
What?
Another mystery solved by the PJ Masks. Remember, if you look closely and work with your friends, you can discover amazing things.
It was a beautiful day at PJ Masks headquarters, and Catboy was feeling faster than ever.
Oops! My super speed was a little too super.
Luckily, Super Dr. Gekko was on duty. Fear not, I will scan that boo-boo.
Oh, hell no!
Uh-oh, that looks tickly. Come back. It's time for your health scan.
You'll never catch me.
Oh, yes, I will. Get ready for bubble fun.
No, not the bubbles, not my bandaged arm. What in the world is going on here? Would Catboy's hiding spot work?
My super scanner detects a Catboy in those cushions. Yikes! Super speed away!
Whee! Yay, I made it! I gotcha, Catboy.
Narrator says, Catboy was cornered. But was the machine really that scary?
Wait. Checkups aren't scary, Catboy. They just keep us super strong.
Exactly. This doesn't hurt at all. It's the Tickle Scanner 3000. Are you sure? It sounds really loud.
I'll show you. Scan me, Super Dr. Gekko. It tickles. See, Catboy? Wow. Okay, I can be brave too. Scan away.
You were right. It's not scary at all.
And so, Catboy learned that being brave and trusting your friends makes everything a lot more fun. It was a beautiful day for a PJ Masks picnic. And Owlette had a special surprise. Boing, boing, boing. Ta-da! The brand new Master Fang comic book.
Whoa. I want to read it. Me first. Me first.
Wait, Catboy. We have to share. Absolutely not. Mine, all mine.
Gimme! Oh.
Oops. That's what happens when you lose your patience.
Super Cat Speed will get it back. Stand back, guys.
But will his speed be enough?
Zoom,
I like
zoom,
it, Kaji.
zoom. Watch this. Whoa, woohoo, whoa. That's slippery. Oops, Boeing. Oof. Well, that didn't go as planned.
This is fine.
Whoa! The tree is spinning. Super Gekko muscles to the rescue. Bonk, bonk, squeak, squeak, bonk, bonk, ow, ow, oh my.
Bonk, bonk, squeak, squeak.
Bonk, bonk, ow, ah.
Ouch. My head. Silly heroes. We can't do this alone. Will Owlette's master plan finally save the comic book? Shield ready! Super jump!
Oh, okay.
Got it! Hooray for teamwork! I'm sorry I threw a tantrum. I should have been patient. It's okay, Catboy. Sharing makes the story even better.
Narrator says, patience and teamwork always save the day. See you next time, heroes. Wait! Look down there!
Whoa! A tiny glowing footprint. It's so small. We need a better look. It's a magic one.
Super Cat Speed to the rescue! I found the Mega Magnifying Glass! Oh, wow! It looks like shiny green dust! Follow the footprints. We have to work together to solve this mystery.
Right! Got it! Look! A tiny dance party. Can I join? Focus, image 2. We have to follow the clues. Teamwork means staying on track.
Right. Super Lizard focus. It won't budge! Teamwork makes heavy things light.
Whoops! Now, where did those footprints go?
Ah! A giant red meteor is coming right at us!
Image 1, it's just a tiny bouncy ball. The glass makes it look big. Oh, right. Haha!
The footprints stopped. The mystery is broken.
Victory, Screech!
Super Owl Eyes. Let me see if I can spot where they went. I can't see it.
Don't give up, Image 3. Try combining your owl eyes with the magnifying glass. Teamwork!
It worked! They go up the tree.
Leave the climbing to me. Super Gekko grip. Guys, you have to come see this. I found it.
A glowing wind-up toy? Romeo must have dropped it. Ah, it's so cute. Mystery solved.
We did it! We found the clues because we looked closely.
And because we worked together as a team.
Another mystery solved by the PJ Masks. Remember, if you look closely and work with your friends, you can discover amazing things. Narrator says, it was a beautiful day for playing games, until something went bouncy wrong. Super Cat Speed Throw. Uh-oh, that is a little too super, Image 1.
It is stuck way up there. Do not worry. I can jump higher than anyone. Super Cat Stripes.
Or maybe not that high. Stand back! This is a job for Super Gekko muscles.
This is fine.
Narrator says, will the mighty geckos save the day? Slippery. Too slippery.
My turn. Super Owl Feathers. I will blow it right down. Uh-oh. That is a lot of leaves. Oops.
Narrator says, is the frisbee stuck forever?
I know of a place.
Wait. Alone we cannot reach it, but together? Super Gekko Base. Almost. Got it.
Let me give it a little push.
We did it! PJ Masks, all shout hooray!
Working together always takes you higher. See you next time for more fun.
It was a beautiful day at the HQ, but there was one giant problem. Whoa! This place is a disaster zone!
We have exactly 30 minutes to clean up before training.
30 minutes?
That's impossible!
Leave it to the Super Gekko vacuum.
I'm out of here.
Time to suck up this mess. Here we go.
Hey, what are these?
Whoops! The vacuum is in reverse!
Oh my god!
Turn it off! Turn it off!
But Gekko didn't know the turbo button was very strong. Whoa! This is not cleaning! We have to do something! Hang on, Owlette!
I know of a place.
Guys! Guys! Look at the time! And... Only 5 minutes left?
I guess gadgets aren't always a shortcut.
We can do this if we work together as a team. No more goofing off. Got it. And you, ready for this? Ready! Let's go!
Nice.
Super
I like
cat
it, cut
speed.
G.
Good work, team. Looks like we got all the bouncy balls in the bin. Super Gekko muscles.
Oh, hell no!
Owl eyes for the perfect alignment. Wow, look at this! We did it! Perfect!
Victory, Screech!
PJ Masks, we're on our way!
Next time, I think we'll stick to good old-fashioned teamwork instead of crazy gadgets. Sharing the work makes everything faster and more fun.
I'm out of here.
Teamwork always saves the day. Ha ha! Ha ha! Narrator says it was a highly energetic morning at HQ. Maybe a little TOU energetic. I can bounce for 10,000 hours.
Okay, Super Bouncers, it's time for the Ultimate Patience Challenge. The
No,
rules,
God,
sit
please,
completely
no!
still for 2 whole hours. No moving, no talking.
2 hours? I can't even wait for toast to pop. And to make it fair, the reigning champion gets a handicap.
Hey! I can't see.
The challenge began. But patience is a tricky superpower to master.
I'm out. This is boring. Let's party.
I am a statue. With Catboy and Gekko out, they decided to test Owlette's iron will. Let's see how you handle this. Nasal whimpering and snorts, then muffled, strained giggling. Ah, choo, ah, ah, ah. Did you? No. Wow, oh my goodness.
Oops. Sure hope this doesn't fall on anyone sitting completely still.
Yeah, that would be a shame. Only 10 seconds left. Owlette's patience was about to pay off. Ding, ding, ding. Uh-oh. Would she risk the game to save the prize? Phew! Got it! Wait! Oh no, I moved! I failed the challenge with 3 seconds left.
Are you kidding? You saved the trophy! Patience is awesome, but knowing when to jump into action to help is even better!
Yeah!
You're the ultimate champion!